If you're looking for a visitor management system or a VMS and you'd like to know more about it in terms of what it is, what it can do for you, and why you should be using it, you're in the right place. I'm going to go through every bit of detail you need to know. So let's get into it. What is a visitor management system in a nutshell? So a VMS is software for managing visitor access efficiently. It replaces your logbooks with digital tools, improving security and compliance. Features include pre-registration, badge printing, notifications, and reporting, and a whole bunch more. Let's see what else it offers you. So it does give you advanced security. So you get ID scanning. This ensures authentic visitor identification with automated verification. You also get watch list alerts. This notifies staff immediately if a visitor is flagged or even restricted. You also get access control, which customizes entry permissions to safeguard sensitive areas. And then lastly on this list, you get real-time notifications, which is always very handy. It's security teams that are alerted instantly to authorized access attempts. Having a look here as well, you get a streamlined check-in. So if you are looking at online pre-registration, your visitors can submit details in advance, speeding arrival procedures. Self-service kiosks, touch screen terminals enable quick contactless check-ins on site. And then again, those instant notifications, hosts receive alerts immediately when visitors arrive. You also get detailed reporting. You get data on peak times and visitor volume to optimize your operations. You can report on access patterns, and this can help refine safety protocols. And also, you get easy generation of logs to meet regulatory requirements, and it helps you understand the audience and improve visitor experience in a whole. So there you go, folks. That's software in a nutshell. You can go ahead and drop a like if this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more, you can visit their website, and we will see you in another awesome video.